Hey everyone, today we're going to look at these Dewalt 20V pruning shears. Now this is actually one of my very favorite Dewalt rechargeable tools. So again, it uses the standard 20V battery. You just plug it in and it will actually cut for like a long time. I've used it for a couple hours and not had to worry about the battery. So this is a 3 ampere-hour battery and you just cut away. Now this is very green wood, so you can actually see on the blades it's wet. But that is how easy it is. You literally push the button and off you go. So this is, I don't know, maybe ½ inch thick. Even if you go into bigger pieces. And again, this is really wet wood. Let's take it up close. Just as easy as that. Now if we get on the bigger side and it can't cut all the way through, you just keep doing it until it goes through it. So again, that's probably about a little over an inch, maybe 1.25 inches, and it goes through with no problem. So I use these with my mulcher. If I have pieces of wood that are kind of too long, I just go through it and cut the branches off. It's easier than pruning shears that you have to cut manually. It's definitely easier than a saw. And basically, if you can get the piece of wood between these two jaws, it's going to cut it. You might have to go a couple times, but it will cut through it. A couple other things I like is one, it does have a little light in case you want to like do some shearing in the dark. Not going to recommend it, but hey, you know, each their own. The trigger on it's very easy. It's got a safety, so there's a little switch here down below that you push in, and then you pull the trigger, and it goes. And again, the battery's real easy. So this is a 3 ampere-hour battery, and literally this will last you all day. You put it in, not too heavy. It comes with a Allen wrench for adjustments on it in case you need to take off the blades here, which is the adjustment there. I've actually not done that, but I suppose you can sharpen off this top blade here in case you do some damage to it and you want to fix it. But in terms of Dewalt tools, this is really one of my favorites. It's easy to use, plenty of power, and it's just kind of a joy. So if you already have bought into the Dewalt 20V system, these Dewalt pruning shears are really tough to beat. So if that, it's a thumbs up.